What's up, y'all? Okay, so I may look like I'm dressed to go to the beach, but actually, I'm about to spend my day in the forest. And I'm gonna throw magnet a little bit, try and dig up what I couldn't pull up the other day at that landing. And then I'm also gonna try and look for salamanders because it's a nice, moist, wet day, and it's a forest, and I think there might be some in there. So it'd be cool to find some. I've only seen salamanders in the wild once in my life, so it'd be cool to find some. Yeah, so I'll holler back at y'all when I get there. Yeah, so I'm out here in the forest. I made it out here. I'm gonna do a little magnet fishing and see if I can snipe out some salamanders out here. And I found out that Venus flytraps can potentially be out here as well, for they're native to this area, North South Carolina. And the acidic soil here is perfect for them. And apparently the soil doesn't provide them nitrogen, and that's why they eat the flies to get the nutrients. That's pretty cool shit. And we're ready to do a bunch of cool stuff out here, so we'll see. This here, y'all, is a real eastern North Carolina box turtle. I heard him stomping around back here. Pretty little guy. Just doing his thing. I ain't bothering him. Just getting some foodie of him. Do your thing, turtle gang. Okay, so I finally made it back out here to the landing. I was taking some time to get my ropes and everything set up this time, so I'm not all tangled up and looking like an asshole with a big mess all around me. It's super peaceful out here. And my goal as of this is to start aiming for whatever me and my mom the other day had hooked onto. We pulled out this magnet, which took us a good long time to drag out of the mud. But I'm gonna use this magnet today to try to pull up the other thing I was fighting that I almost got. I thought was for just as long as this, and I just couldn't get it. It was getting dark and bugs were getting at us, so we got out of here. So I'm coming out here today to try again. Unfortunately, it does look like it's a higher tide than last time. So that may make it harder, or it may have made it easier, might have helped unlodge this thing a little bit that's in there. So I have no idea what it is, and I'm gonna try and get it. And this is the magnet that I found the other day. It's from Brute Magnetics. I'm not quite sure the pull strength on it, but we're about to find out how good it is. And all right, let's do some magnet fishing. I'm pretty sure this magnet is pretty strong, so it'll hook onto whatever's down there. I'll know I'm on it. I don't know if it'll be strong enough to get it on its own, or if I'll need other magnets. Definitely something. That's just a nail, not what I was aiming for. There's something big's down there. And I'm gonna fish it out of there today. Mark my words. Alright, I think I'm hooked on her now. See, my line got tight. It's big. By then, it's my time here. I don't grab this thing with a magnet. I'm gonna just get in there and get it. Because I know it's something. I just don't know what. Alright, so I've been struggling with whatever's down there for a minute now, and I can't pull it up. It's like lodged in the mud or something. So I've got my magnet on it now. I think I'm just gonna get in there. Fuck it. I wish I had some sort of foot protection, but whatever. I've been in worse water, and this ain't shit. I got this. Ooh, it's cold. Ooh, I'm not touching shit. Not touching the bottom. Deeper than I thought. I wish I had my flippers. bring them and I didn't. That actually felt good though. Oh shit, check that out. Okay, it's got barnacles on it, so it's been there a long time. Some sort of metal ring. Knocker perhaps. Or something off somebody's boat trailer, maybe. Something that held some shit together. I don't fucking know. Right on. See, I'm gonna keep clearing out that walkway before I go in there. Cause I would have stepped on that. I don't know what it is, but I know what shape it is. Let's get this thing out. Fucker. This is where another person would come in handy. If anybody ever wants to come do this with me, just holler in the comments. We can make it happen. I'm in North Carolina. I love strangers. As long as you're not a murderer or a rapist, then we could probably get along in some way. A pedophile or an animal fucker. I don't do that, any of that. If you're cool, normal, down to earth, open-minded individual, I'm sure we'll have a great time. Nature lover, gotta love nature. This thing was way too big to lose. You know what? I'm gonna try to, I've got it to the magnet. I'm gonna try and just see if I can bring it to the shallow. I can't pull it up. Maybe I can drag it up. All right, so I used my brain a little bit and I was able to drag it to the boat ramp where it got shallower and shallower. And now I've got this damn thing. So we're gonna find out what the heck this is. This water feels great. Oh, baby. It's an old grill, man. It's gotta be like a little Coleman or some shit. Damn, I hauled her up. One day it'll be a safe full of money, but today I think it's just an old ass camping grill. It's like turned itself into a clam. Like everything in here, like, I don't know, it's like it's a clam. Bust it open from back here. Pretty sure it's just an oven. Stove. Still cool. I hauled that motherfucker in. Look at that. Yeah, boy. Oh. There you go. So this thing's heavy. Like, I don't know what more want to do with it now, but gotta get rid of her. Ooh. And that was the brute magnet that I found in the water that hauled that thing. So apparently it's a brute. So shout out to Brute Magnets for hauling that big ass hunk of old stove up. Damn right.